Hello friends, welcome to Uniworld Education. This video is made for small kids. Our today's topic is birds and animals. Pigeon. Pigeon. Crow. Crow. Parrot. Parrot. Peacock. Peacock. Sparrow. Now animals. Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Zebra. Zebra. Cow. Cow. Giraffe. Giraffe. Horse. Horse. Donkey. Donkey. Thanks everyone. Hope you like this video. We'll meet soon in our next video with fun and music and everything.